Today, I have an important review to share with you. I recently tested the A9 mini spy camera with the YSX Lite application. Here, I will be providing an honest assessment of my experience. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person. But if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. Unboxing and full review of A9 mini spy camera. On the box, it says A9 HD battery IP camera. Supports PC and mobile, play, Wi-Fi, video, SD card and day-night vision. On the side, it shows HD, internet, cloud, wide angle, TF card, cloud, WDR, daytime 20 FPS, nighttime 15 FPS. On the label it says mini camera A9 wireless Wi-Fi 1080p CCTV indoor-outdoor mini IP camera security remote control surveillance night mode camera color. Let's jump right in and open this package and see what's inside. Manual with setup instructions. Please go through it before the installation. Micro USB cable for charging. The A9 mini camera feels compact and light, perfect for versatile use. Camera lens in front, and there is a memory card slot. Supports up to 128 GB memory cards. It has two buttons on it. Mode button is there strictly to reset the Wi-Fi and the other is on off. When charging, there will be a red LED with steady glow. Micro USB charging or power port. Use a 5-volt power supply. This is the back of the camera. The mic should be inside here so it can pick up sound. This is the base, and then the bottom of the base has a sticky tape, double side tape. One side is a rotating base. It has two latches on it where you can put this into these two grooves and twist and lock it. The rotating base is a great addition, allowing for easy positioning and capturing different angles. You can scan the app on the instruction manual and it will take you directly to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store where the software is. This is a Samsung A10 running Android 9. This is compatible with the software, that is YSX Lite, so you can use this device to access the camera without a problem. Here are the three choices. Make sure to choose which is compatible with your device. YSX Lite, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store as well. If you want to use this without external power supply, the camera will last around half an hour with full HD record. So if you want to record something longer than that, you better keep the camera powered up all the time. It won't harm the camera. You can easily do that. You can use a power bank, 5-volt power bank, to power this up. So now I'm going to connect the camera to this power bank and power it up. Once the power is connected, the red LED next to the on-off button will come on and will blink in order to show the charging state of the camera. That means it is just charging but not powered on. Power it on now. Long press the on-off button. Here we go. Now the LED is not flashing but steady to indicate the powered on status. The blue LED near the mode button will start blinking to indicate that the device is looking for a connection. If you need to do a reset, long press the mode button. When you connect to power through the USB port, it will automatically turn on and start recording. First, you need to enable Wi-Fi and scan for the camera's network, which is starting from BAT. Install and open the app. You need to grant the app certain permissions to access, that is to access your device location and to enable Bluetooth as well. Then you can go ahead and add device. Click on Add New Camera to add the device to the apps. Now let's connect the camera to the application. I will choose the second option of Access Camera directly to set up the camera this time. You can select that option if you are in close range to the camera, like within the range of camera's router. This has an inbuilt router. So as long as you are within that router's range, you can choose this option. Select second option. It will ask you to enter a PSK password, but that is option. No need, just back up from that and then the camera will appear here and it says logged in here at the top. That means camera is connected. Tap on the play button. The camera view will be open within the app. As you can see here, when the play button is clicked, connecting will appear at the bottom and the app will try to access the camera feed. The camera is connected through the Wi-Fi and the video is transmitted to the mobile device. As you can see here, the lag is almost unnoticeable here. So the transmission speed, I think it's quite good, the band. This icon will switch between the landscape and the portrait modes. Now I'll switch to the phone display and describe the features of this app YSX Lite. And the connected camera will appear here and it will say logged in and the signal strength will be displayed. Right now, there's only one camera connected through the feed. If there are multiple cameras, they will all appear under here. You need to allow the required permissions for the app to function properly. By clicking on this arrow icon, you can connect to the camera's live feed and view it on this device. There's not much of controls on the camera other than the mode button and the on-off button. All the controls are done through the app. I will show you one by one now. Clicking on this moon icon will turn the grayscale on or off. Details regarding the camera feed will appear at the top of the video. The time, the bitrate and FPS and so on. When the camera feed is connected, logged in will appear at the bottom left hand corner. You can use the app to control the camera. Through the app, you can record or the camera will record onto its SD card. So after the session, you can easily remove the card and view it either on your phone or any other device which can read the memory cards or SD cards. Click on this video camera icon to record video. Once clicked, it will turn to blue and record will appear here. It shows the recording time duration in seconds as well. By clicking on this icon, you can mute and unmute the sound of the video. Here, you can change camera resolution. It has 3 levels of video resolution: SD, HD and Full HD. This arrow will flip it horizontally. And tapping on this will flip it vertically. So when you fixing the camera, if there's a problem with orientation, you can use these to correct the issue. Capture an image with this steady camera icon. Let's see if this one is capable of accessing the device. This is a more newer version. As Android 13, model is Samsung A05. The setting up steps are the same. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm scanning the QR code and it will take you to a blank page. There's nothing, no information, nothing at all. Here it is for you to see with your own eyes. And if you try to search it, that is YSX Lite, in the App Store or Play Store, this error message will appear. You can go ahead and do the installation. And I have tested that it works fine on this phone. There are no errors, but an occasional cutoff from the camera feed. So this is only a cautionary message. Nothing to worry about. I will share some recordings which has been done using this device at the end of the video in order to clear out the doubt. With this icon, you can add cameras into this app with the below mentioned methods. This icon is to access the memory card. You can view whatever stored there. There are 3 types of video recordings. grouped under the particular date, so it's easy for you to seek. When the camera is on and if a memory card is inserted, it will start auto recording as long as it is not connected to any device via Wi-Fi. Manual recording is with the user interaction. Alarm recordings occur whenever an alarm is triggered. Alarm icon will let you check all the alarms occurred up to now. With this icon, scanning window will open and you can add a camera by scanning its QR code. This is the search icon. You can use this to search for a particular camera. Here you can enable or disable the options. Here you can change the settings for the alarm. That's depending on the severity, whether you want a video, a picture, and how long camera should record it. In this page, you can set up the timings for the video recordings onto the memory card, as you can see here. Here under access, you can set up the PSK passwords for the camera. Factory reset the system, that is to upgrade the firmware of the camera, the device. Now let's try to play back some videos which are recorded in the camera's external memory, the SD card. This is a recorded video fed through the camera's Wi-Fi. An outside recording of the camera during the daytime. I'll leave you to judge the quality of the camera. Horizontally flip. Vertically flip. This is the same location of the daytime videos, but the only difference is this is at nighttime, but it is a well-lit area. I am viewing this video through the mobile while the memory card is still in the camera. So this is a recorded video fed through the camera's Wi-Fi. Low light performance was particularly not high quality, resulting in grainy and noisy footage. This is just 100 feet away from the camera. As you can see, only the vehicle lights can be seen, the head and the tail lights. Nothing much. No details of the silhouette or anything. This is in a very well lit area. Daytime footage, of course, much better, but still the images cannot be zoomed in since it doesn't have zoom function. But it does include a mic, so you can hear things. image. It doesn't have autofocus, it just generally focus. But when compared with the price point of just 99 cents USD, this can easily be used as a mini spy camera. I will show you how to modify it as a spy camera with a steady power supply. You can use a power bank and connect the camera and give it a steady power source, so it will record for a long time. You can hide this in a soft toy, maybe a big bunny, and set the camera just behind its one eye. I will do a video with full detail next time. On the right hand side, you get the mute button on top, sound mute, then the two flip buttons, snapshot button to get a picture at that particular moment, and at the bottom, the timeline. Bottom left hand corner, the play pause button, on top left hand corner, the time and the date of the recording. With all that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a nice and a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.